Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to add and manage dual connection for your earbuds SOUNDCORE C30i. And right here we have a first device would have an application and also connected with the headphones, and the second one do not. So we need two applications to use it. To enable dual connection, and then you don't need it so much. So open the application, click on your headphones, and right here on the third line we have dual connection. Tap on it also, and firstly we need to enable it. So click at this slider near to the this name and wait about 10 seconds. And we did it. So now we need to pair these headphones with the second device. You can click Connect New Device in the application, or if you don't need to use an application, you can enter to pairing mode manually right here by press and hold this connection button at the bottom of the charging case 2 times. And click Pair New Device and press 2 times, or click Connect New Device. And then tap on your earbuds at the device list and click Pair. So, if you did it without application, you can see that it's disconnected from your first device, and we need to reconnect. Go to the settings, Bluetooth, and click on your earbuds at the device list. And right here, as you can see, we have 2 devices connected to the headphones, and we can also check it in the application. If we return here, now we should wait. Okay, we click dual connection, and as you can see right here we have 2 devices. So you can click, if you don't need the second device, you can disconnect it by click at the slider near to this device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!